This video will demonstrate how to repair a rescue battery containment liner. At some point in time, due to wear and tear and accidental rips, you will need to repair the liner material in a battery containment system. The Rescue PVC Liner Patch Kit works with various brands of containment liner as well as Rescue PVC liner material. The Rescue Liner Repair Kit includes PVC liner material and general-purpose web spray adhesive. First, remove pillows and socks from the vicinity of the liner area to be repaired. Thoroughly clean around damaged area with Quick Cable's non-ammonia glass cleaner using paper towel or dry cloth. Once the area is clean and isolated, measure the damaged area and cut patch liner material to adequately fit over the area to be repaired. Apply spray adhesive over both the repair material and the damaged liner. Be sure not to overspray. Carefully apply the patch over the section of damaged liner. Press the patch firmly into place. Wait 5 minutes for adhesive to bond, then put pillows back into place. For more videos on battery containment systems, visit quickhowto.com.